Bro nu kiet jiog te fichas a coig va Jim Baxter anich jan a bal kosher y figant hwyl, agus na fniaf chlichidar an a skip yn a halapa.
Baxter on the Murdoch. Henderson.
Italy were a brilliant team then, and we had to win that game. So Jockstein, he said to Baxter, "You just do your own thing in the middle of the park, like, you know, but you've got to work hard when we've got the ball. You've got to do a bit of your defensive, which you're not used to doing. But going forward with the ball, they could pick you out, like, you know."
I make it 2 minutes to go and there's still no scoring.
Jimmy had passed it through to John. John's been overlapped and Jimmy slots it through from it.
And Greg had kept going, like, and Baxter just put it just straight in front of him, right on the other side of the defenders, like, you know. Greg had knocked it in, like, you know.
He had a fantastic game that night against Italy.
You know, they are these superstars, like, you know, and they were nothing to Baxter. He was equal to all them.
Ban bo fniafan gyma irishal a hannig Baxter. Cha i hogal an na balemeni hella bith an a fever. Coirs nach gyfa 4 year at bal kosher.
I mean, on a Sunday, we used to play over in the field, 30 a side, maybe 40 a side. You know, the pubs would come out 2:30, the big boys would come on, a cock and a hen, and in they go. And you're all diving about. So all we ever did was play football.
Ag tosioch lichas a seach va Baxter na iekade a clich bal kosher pars junior seo ach a gopa lwanúne mar venar. Ach a de chiad lag in a giplin garich a vek a tur. Va dhakanach a hella bith I de liek a vienemel.
One of Baxter's friends from Cowdenbeath said that Jim Baxter was God's gift to the working classes. And so it wasn't just the quality of his performance, it was also a sense of he's one of us. So there's a way, in a way, it's inspiration. It gives you aspiration. It's that sort of thing of if he can do it, other people can do it. And men like Jim Baxter were a sort of beacon in the darkness.
Jeder grunag Jim Baxter re unicata, I ganyas na chrodlanche chamashin na valach big.
Did you ever think I would have been the football player?
No, I never thought that 1 minute, son.
To me, you were too thin. Too thin. And you never got a holiday at the school. You were always off with sort of pneumonia.
Is that right?
That's right.
Oh, aye, you were off well to bring up.
I've not changed much.
You were always no wheel. You never got a holiday off the school. You were in your bed.
Geforstanach va Jim fut geljoris an cliche, ach mer a bed teruggertes, jutig a viding keldige de finne file an a doike turet er jallichtje.
You got these football bits and a motorgun.
That was one of the presents I got.
For your present, for your Christmas. And you went into the play football with your new boots on and your motorgun. And you put the motorgun down to play and it was left it.